Yo, I'm gonna be singing Mariah Carey. I can make it through the rain. My tired's a bit, my throat, sorry, it's a bit tired. But I'm still gonna bang up anyway. I don't really know the song properly, so don't worry if I flop in it. Just gonna try and improvise. I just did a little chorus of Ray J One Wish in it, so you guys should go and look at that. I don't know what's happening these days with like my voice. I don't know. I think it's going a bit downhill in it, but I'm just gonna bang out these days and then just carry on improving in it. You know, I can't hit all them notes like I used to when I was younger. But enough about me. I'm just gonna bang on this song. Hope you like it. Feel free to comment. Here we go. Yep. You can make it, I can make it. When you get caught in the rain with nowhere to run, when you're distraught and in pain without anyone, when you keep crying out to be saved but nobody comes, and you feel so far away that you just can't find your way home. You can get there alone, he is okay. Once you say, hey, I can make it through the rain. I can stand up once again on my own, and I know that I'm strong enough to mend. And every time I feel afraid, I hold on tight onto my faith, and I live one more day, 'cause I made it through the rain. I don't really know this verse and the bridge, but here we go. Yes, yes, oh yes, and if you keep falling down, don't dare give in. You will arise safe and sound, so keep pressing on steadfastly, and you will find what you need to prevail. Yes, once you say that I can make it through the rain, I can stand up once again on my own, and I know that I'm strong enough to mend. Every time I feel afraid, I hold on tight onto my faith, and I live one more day, 'cause I made it through the rain. And when the wind blows and shadows grow close, don't be afraid. There's nothing you can't face. And should they tell you you'll never pull through, don't hesitate. Stand tall and say, I can make it through the rain, and I can stand up once again on my own, and I know that I'm strong enough to make it. Every time I feel afraid, I hold on tight onto my faith, and I live one more day. Yeah, I said I can make it through the rain, and I can stand up once again on my own, and I know I can make it through the rain. Oh, said you and me and you and me can make it. Says I can make it through the rain.